This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi turbo is being damaged? Not by bad luck, not by mysterious engineering failure, but by habits many owners repeat every single week. Because turbo problems rarely begin with dramatic explosions. They usually begin quietly, slowly, repeatedly. And that is exactly what makes them dangerous. Because when damage builds gradually, owners feel safe. The car still drives, still accelerates, still sounds mostly normal. And by the time obvious symptoms appear, the repair becomes expensive. Very expensive. Today, we fix that. Because if your Audi uses turbocharging, prevention matters. Massively. Let's start with one of the most common turbo killers. Cold, aggressive acceleration. This is brutally common. The engine starts, traffic moves, you are late, you press hard, fast merge, quick overtake, high boost demand immediately. And the logic seems simple. The engine is on, so everything is ready. Not necessarily. Turbo systems live in demanding thermal conditions. They work under pressure, heat, speed, stress, and repeated aggressive requests too early increase long-term wear, especially if repeated constantly. Now let's talk about another killer. Immediate shutdown after hard driving. This is a huge mistake. Motorway acceleration, fast, spirited driving, heavy load, strong heat. Then you park. Switch off immediately. Walk away. No thought, no cooling awareness. Repeated poor thermal habits quietly punish turbo longevity, and many owners never think about this. Now let's talk about oil habits, because turbo systems depend heavily on healthy lubrication behavior. Ignoring oil quality, delaying care, treating support systems casually. This is where expensive stories begin. Because turbocharging is amazing technology, but demanding technology. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you love practical Audi ownership advice, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's talk about emotional driving. This is controversial. Because spirited driving itself is not automatically destructive. Bad habits are repeated unnecessary hard throttle, aggressive stop-and-go impatience, constant stress-driven acceleration. The turbo becomes a victim of driver psychology. Same Audi, different owner, completely different future. Now let's talk about ignored symptoms. Tiny whistle changes, different response, lag feeling, slight hesitation. Owners normalize everything. That is dangerous. Because turbo systems often communicate before failure becomes dramatic. The question is simple. Are you listening? Now let's talk about short, inefficient routines. This surprises people. Repeated short trips, cold starts, minimal efficient use, repeated stress cycles, again and again. This is not ideal ownership behavior. Now let's discuss mindset. Some owners assume premium German engineering means abuse resistance. Wrong interpretation. Strong engineering improves resilience. It does not make bad habits harmless. Physics still exists. Heat still matters. Pressure still matters. Mechanical stress still matters. Now imagine two Audi owners. Same turbo engine, same mileage, same model. One drives reactively, ignores thermal awareness, uses aggressive bad habits, normalizes weird behavior. The other drives intelligently, respects system behavior, protects thermal stability. Completely different ownership outcome. And we are just getting started. Because in part 2, we go deeper into more hidden turbo-killing habits. Because the most expensive turbo failures usually begin with normal-looking habits. How Audi owners quietly destroy their turbo. Now let's continue, because some of the most damaging turbo habits are the ones owners rarely think about. And that is exactly why they become expensive. Not because failure happens instantly, but because repeated bad habits quietly build wear over time. Then one day the repair bill arrives, and owners say, it happened suddenly. Usually, it did not. Let's start with one of the most ignored turbo killers, constant short aggressive driving cycles. This combination is terrible. Short trips already create inefficient usage patterns. Now add impatience, heavy throttle, fast bursts, repeated stop-and-go aggression, and you create repeated stress without smart operating conditions. That is not intelligent ownership. Now let's talk about lag misinterpretation. This is common. The driver feels slight delay, reduced response, different boost behavior, and instead of paying attention, they simply drive harder. More throttle, more aggression, more force, trying to wake up the car. That mindset can be expensive because unexplained behavioral changes deserve attention, not punishment. Now let's talk about poor awareness of heat. Heat is everything in turbo longevity. Everything. Many owners understand engine power. Few understand thermal stress. Repeated hard use, traffic frustration, high-speed demand, then poor cool-down habits. Repeated heat stress quietly accumulates, and the owner sees none of it. Now let's discuss emotional motorway behavior. This is fascinating because motorway confidence often creates turbo abuse. Quick overtakes, repeated heavy acceleration, aggressive passing, needless performance demonstrations. Again, spirited driving itself is not the enemy. Mindless repetition is. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you love practical Audi ownership advice, hidden features, and ways to avoid expensive repairs, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel massively and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Now let's talk about neglected warning behavior. Not just dashboard warnings, behavioral warnings, different sound, different boost feel, strange hesitation, odd whistle changes, reduced urgency, small clues. Turbo systems often communicate before serious failure. Owners simply ignore the conversation. That is expensive ownership. Now let's discuss modification mentality. This may be unpopular. Some owners chase extra performance without understanding system stress. More boost obsession, aggressive expectations, constant hard usage, and then surprise when reliability suffers. Performance enthusiasm without mechanical respect becomes expensive. Now let's talk about consistency. Turbo systems prefer intelligent, predictable ownership. Wildly inconsistent use creates stress. Extreme calm use one day, repeated abuse the next. No thermal awareness, no rhythm. Ownership habits matter. Now let's discuss poor maintenance mindset. Some owners think prevention is wasted money. This is the most expensive thinking possible. Reactive ownership costs far more than preventive ownership, every time. Because prevention is boring, repair bills are unforgettable. Now here's another dangerous habit: ignoring performance decline because the car still works. This is classic owner psychology. It still drives. It still accelerates. It still starts. That logic delays intelligent action, and delay increases cost. Now imagine two Audi turbo owners, same engine, same mileage, same environment. One drives emotionally, ignores thermal awareness, punishes strange behavior, normalizes symptoms. The other pays attention, protects the system, drives with awareness. Completely different ownership future. Now let's talk about psychology. Because turbo failures feel unfair, owners often think it just happened. But expensive failures are frequently accumulated outcomes. Repeated small stress, repeated poor habits, repeated neglect. That is what makes prevention powerful. Now here's the key lesson. Turbocharged Audi ownership is not about fear. It is about awareness, better habits, smarter use, thermal respect, behavioral awareness, and intelligent prevention. Because the goal is simple: enjoy the performance without paying for avoidable mistakes. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more Audi ownership advice, hidden technology tips, and ways to avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more Audi ownership advice, hidden technology tips, and ways to avoid expensive mistakes, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real value. Because the biggest threat to many Audi turbos is not engineering. It's owner behavior nobody questions.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.